All right, guys, here we go again. We got 5/16 plate to 5/16 web, actually. Set it at about 18 inches per minute. Burn back set up a little bit there higher. Let's see what we got going on here. Got a nice little 1/16 gap in there. You gap it to get better weld penetration, if anybody was wondering. Slowly but surely. And yes, we have that tacked on the far end. This is big boy stuff. See how that cap peels off in a second. Woo-wee! Beautiful. That's what you want.